Hey folks, I never overlook an opportunity to film outside. Beautiful day here in Indiana, 77 degrees, got short sleeves on. Doesn't happen very often in early March. But hey, I left a video on this months back, but one of my most common questions is, am I ready to retire? And I always give the same answer. It's not a yes or no, but there's 4 boxes I ask you to check, or that I checked before I retired, and I highly encourage you to do it as well. Number 1, and this is assuming you already have a budget. I got a budget video a couple back, so you've got a budget for your retirement. Number 1 thing you need to do, use the 4% rule. I say guideline. Okay, so look at your investments, taking out 4% a year, adjusted for inflation. Does that come anywhere close to solving? That's just one check for you. Don't stop there, okay? It's not a 4% rule, it's a 4% guideline. Some people say it's 3%, some people say it's 5%. Just a rule of thumb, pass that test. Number 2, go to at least 2 financial advisors. See what they can do for you. See how they analyze what you've got. They have some software they'll use for you. They will gladly sit down with you. They will love sitting down with you, and this costs you nothing. They've got a great plan and you want to partner with them, great for you. If you want to go it alone after that, great for you, okay? So 2 minimum financial advisors. I actually sat down with 5, okay? So 2 is really the low end. Number 3, I like using a comprehensive software package. Folks, you cannot do this alone by Excel. I recommend New Retirement. There's a link below to 2 free weeks of New Retirement. Click on that link to get those free 2 weeks. I promise you, you're going to sign up. It's a comprehensive software package that looks at your taxes, looks at your revenues coming in, looks at your expenses, does Monte Carlo, suggests Roth conversions for you. Very comprehensive. I've seen nothing as good, anywhere close to as good when it comes to taxes. And if you don't have a great tax plan in retirement, you're screwing up, okay? Comprehensive software package, just too many things to juggle on an Excel spreadsheet or in your mind. And if you're not projecting out your taxes for a decade, 2 decades in advance in retirement, I can tell you a good chance you're leaving a lot of money on the table, a lot. It could be hundreds of thousands of dollars on the table. Number 4, folks, you can't go about this retirement journey alone. That's one of the biggest problems I see with early retirees, any retirees, is they're scared. They work their plan out in their basement bunker all alone, quite often not even within the spouse involved. And, that brings a lot of fear. So you've got to come up with a buddy, find somebody that's going through the same problem as you, that you've known for a long time. Do intimate sharing with them on your fears, your plan, your details, your expenses. They're going through the same problem. It's a win-win. Start a retirement group like I did. I've got 2 other people. I got a 3-person team, including myself, where we do that. And before I make any move, I run it by these folks, and their challenge is to have my best interest at heart and to tell me that what the pitfalls are of the actions I'm taking. Is it emotional or is it a logical one? You can't go about this alone. Find that person, find that retirement group. A lot of people reach out to me. Everybody can't reach out to me, but I do have a link below if you want to secure an hour with me. And but you can't go do this alone. Those are the 4 things you need to do. I'm going to copy them in the text below, so you don't need to write these down, but it's start off with the 4% guideline. Talk to 2 financial advisors. Get some comprehensive software. Come on, guys. You need to do this. Don't do this on Excel, and don't do it in your head, okay? And then find a partner to go through this journey with you. That's what's going to take for you to have confidence to sleep at night and to make the jump into retirement. This is Joe out.